so we're down here in Larchwood basement. Right now I'm just cleaning it up, kind of getting all the dirt up. Just gotta do some scraping and whatnot. So yeah, it's pretty dirty down here. So just cleaning it up now, get some of the dirt up and junk and stuff just laying around down here. All right, so that'll be the first phase, clean all this mess up and get it prepped for painting. All right, right now we're doing the scraping. Getting all these little chunks up that are just kind of sitting on, that need scraped away. So we get a clean surface. And I'm doing the whole floor, you know, from beginning all the way around. Catching where the weak spots are, so it's as smooth as possible. All right, so we've scraped, swept, used the shop vac, get all the dust up. So it's looking a lot better in here right now. We're prepped for painting. Got around every corner, every little nook and cranny. Even around here even. It's really dirty under this. Real dirty over here. So really got all the trash up. Everything's nice and prepped and ready to go. Even under there, it was a real mess. We got that cleaned up. All right, so even around here, and you got to keep your head down around here. You hit stuff all the time. All right, so that's it. So let's get to painting, and then that'll be the next part of the video. All right, so just want to kind of cover this over here real quick, kind of show where we're at. Still working over here yet, but I won't be able to get over here to at least show this. So yeah, it's kind of looking good. Got around every area, every pole, everything's good. Okay, so let's keep going and we'll finish it off. All right, so come to the stairs. I'm just gonna kind of do a once over. The whole basement's been treated and painted with the Armor Seal Treadplex paint, which is a great coating that really, you know, reseals and recoats the basement really nice. Made it look almost like new again. So looks great. Yeah, and then kind of up under here, over here. So there we go.